Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Reclaim AI for scheduling events. So head over to Planner, for example, on the left sidebar after you log into your account, and just click on your task, name it task 1, and give the duration for 1 hour, the minimum duration to 30 minutes, max duration 2 hours. Choose the schedule date, the due date, and hit create. This will create your first scheduled event on Reclaim AI. And here it is, guys. You can add also many other events. So this is pretty much what you need here. You can also access stats and buffers, focus habits, and you can add smart meetings. Also, let's create a new smart meeting. Shows the billing email, and this is will be a premium feature, guys. So add a number of users, and you pay with your credit card to access smart meetings. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.